Hi everyone! In this video, we will learn to simplify expressions using the order of operations with absolute value. Before we move on to our question, let's review the order of operations. Parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. Here we have 5 times the absolute value of negative quantity 7 minus 2, close parenthesis, plus 4 times the absolute value of the quantity 2 plus 1. The first thing we need to do are the grouping things from parentheses, and that includes the operations inside the absolute values. Inside this absolute value is a set of parentheses, and we still follow the order of operations. So within that set of absolute values, we will do parentheses first. 7 minus 2 is 5, with a negative on the outside, and we copy this down as it is. Over here, we have 2 plus 1, which is also the grouping that we need to do inside first. 2 plus 1 is 3, and we have 5 times the absolute value of negative 5, plus 4 times the absolute value of 3. Now we can continue to evaluate. Inside this set of absolute values, we have negative times 5, or negative 1 times 5, or the opposite of 5, which is negative 5. Then we copy everything just as we see it. Now we can evaluate the absolute values. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5 units from 0, so we have 5 times 5, since it's evaluated at 5. Now we can put this in a set of parentheses to indicate that we're multiplying between the 5 and the 5. You could also put a dot for the multiplication if you prefer. Again, over on this side, 4 times the absolute value of 3 is 3 units from 0, so it's 3. And we can again put this in parentheses or make a mark with a multiplication dot. Now we can go through multiplying and dividing, and then we will add and subtract. So 5 times 5 is 25. 4 times 3 is 12. And the very last step, we can add those together, which gives us 37. Now we have simplified this entire expression using the order of operations down to our answer of 37.